Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best glue gun brands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Hot Glue Gun. If you are looking for an option that offers excellent value in every way, Gorilla Glue Gun and Sticks is the perfect choice for you. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the dual temperature configurations offer a level of versatility for various projects addressed while also different temperature glue accept sticks. It housing powerful, despite its low price, is still a quality one would expect something much more expensive to ensure to find longevity and reliability. The rubber handle is also a welcome inclusion to ensure a better and more comfortable compact grip. While you cannot be ideal for working throughout the day, and recharge gun glue sticks, which are water resistant and of which there are a spacious 75, are not the biggest to dispose of. For day crafts with your children or simple repairs on your shoes soles, however, is a perfect, portable and easy to store option home. Number 2. Our second best pick is the AdTech Mini Hi-Temp Hot Glue Gun Combo Pack. For projects of smaller crafts with children, AdTech Mini Hi-Temp Glue Gun Combo Pack is a great device because it is small and portable, slightly relative to handle and requires less energy to just 10 watts. This product has been designed with your child's school projects features such as built-in support for the nozzle to keep your hands off where the adhesive is ejected. What's more, the adhesive is strong enough to use in small household items or broken property and is also non-toxic, clear and no yellowing. No doubt they will also be responsible for the most affordable in this list, but in spite of its price, you will be amazed at what this mini pistol reaches. Customers have especially enjoyed it because it is a friendly way for kids as it is safe, easy, and is not as high in temperature as other major products. Overall, it is definitely the most portable, effective, and inexpensive way. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Hot Wire Glue Gun is a convenient option to get a similar to its counterpart Black Plus Decker, which also has wireless price. Heavier than B plus D, not too comfortable to wear all day, at least, for the poor, but the rest of the design cover is ideal to ensure resist cramps and tension in your hands and keep your tax projects. It has a large 2-finger trigger which is ideal for measuring and requires the exact amount of adhesive for each boat, and also offers the term Black Plus Decker, although it is only half an hour use beyond, so the extra time wisely. It heats up quickly, although this affects the battery charge, even with the extra time, but at least do not lose too much time to wait. If you need a wireless glue gun that be to choose between this challenge and Black & Decker, and his decision may come to nothing more than personal preference. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Chandler Tool Commercial Glue Gun. Chandler Commercial Tool Glue Gun, a mid-range option, is superior, has a solid and reliable for both fans, DIY construction, budding, crafts, amateurs and professionals. It is now grave and gone. Support will leave as an easy and convenient, adding bulk protection to ensure plates also prevents the weapon from remaining firmly on the table. That it also gives you a place to store securely on the take breaks, or if you take a day of glue guns his way through the house. The front glue supply drops accurately and avoids control, while the heavy-duty performance is ideal for work longer than other, smaller, less expensive glue guns fail. If not, it is an excellent choice for those who do not want a lot of money for your glue gun to spend, but it is also necessary the quality that gets into models. You may also not always have the cheaper 10 glue sticks included with your purchase. It is not as good as the other options, but it's better than nothing, and gives you the option to consider as with immediate effect. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Dewalt Rapid Heat Ceramic Glue Gun. Hard and ready to tackle a variety of environments, the rapid warming Dewalt ceramic glue gun is as little insured as an option that provides superior durability to other options. Perfect for those in a hurry, but hopefully not too large parts are neglected. The ceramic heater 50 heat stir than the standard glue gun, while the high-performance design is perfect adhesive glue stick. This makes it an excellent choice for managing for the more technically oriented among you, and you can go through 50 of glue 1-hour sticks depending on the project and their control. Even with such high usage, which resists safety and maintenance, overheating acts at a high level. As you get used to it, there is still the possibility that it could press too much glue nozzle, so take care to ensure that nothing is destroyed, and warn others about it if they use it for the first time. Now I'm always practical in your bag. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.